This is a journey, not for us traveling, but for the TechLabs stream. We dream of a world full of digital shapers. Individuals who use technological tools to approach the challenges of our time with a digital and entrepreneurial mindset. And what better place there is in the US to start sharing our idea of digital education than San Francisco.
At TechLabs, we are interconnected, so we had a call with our techies back home to keep them up to date, tell them about our experiences and our upcoming meetings.
We're here at AirBnb headquarters. Thanks a lot for Jan for the introduction from the Berlin team. And let's just go inside. Airbnb is one of the best examples for a company that is based on true values, on a great culture they've built here. I think they set the bar extremely high when it comes to design.
It's our mission at TechLabs to be on the forefront of digital innovation and education for the years to come. And so, next to a couple of exciting meetings with tech leaders like Airbnb, we used our Bay Area trip to try out the most recent innovations. For example, we gave one of the first Amazon Go stores a visit, a supermarket that uses deep learning algorithms to fully automate the purchasing process.
Lass mal abhauen einfach jetzt.
Another day was waiting for us in Golden Gate City. Some more time to explore the city and its surroundings.
You wouldn't like it out there. It wouldn't protect you.
At TechLabs we are curious and very keen to explore the unknown. We could not be at a better place. San Francisco has not only impressed us with an incredible cityscape, but also with many extremely talented people and bright minds.
Our last morning in the city by the bay had arrived. But saying goodbye was never easier when the epicenter of high technology companies was calling. It was time to say hello to Palo Alto.
Our first stop was Stanford University, where Andrei welcomed us. He founded Tech for Germany that uses technology to transform government processes. We had a good working session on the campus to prepare for the Transatlantic Zone, a conference where we could share our vision of a digital future with other tech-driven minds.
So many people are excited about digital education these days, and it's promising to see that here.
Get inspirations, especially here from the Silicon Valley, and try to implement the best ideas that we can get here and implement those over to us in Germany.
We were all able to connect with like-minded people that produce amazing products. Pretty nice to hear what they are driven by.
Flying from the west to the east coast, a new conference was awaiting us, where we could spread the TechLabs idea of universal digital education. The German-American Conference at the Harvard Kennedy School. There we had the chance to speak about the TechLabs vision next to other transatlantic thought leaders.
MBA lecturer here at Harvard. Had the chance to speak to David Malin afterwards. Incredibly inspiring person and, well, hands down, the best lecturer I ever had.
At TechLabs, we empower a world of lifelong learners. We love to learn and grow. Buying a book from the Harvard bookstore could therefore not be missed.
San Francisco, Palo Alto, Cambridge. Days full of meeting interesting people and developing a stronger network of digital shapers. And we are just at the beginning. Join the TechLabs community on our journey to shape the digital future all around the world.